Hi there, my name is Paul Stamets, and I love making smoothies with the Host Defense powders. And so this is my own personal regimen. Everyone has their own. You can use a variety of coconut milk or almond milk, but that's what I add. I like to have coconut vanilla is my favorite, almond vanilla as well. And then I like to have yogurt added to the mix. And I'm a super lover of almond butter, and almond butter, you know, every almond is visited by a bee, so our Support the Bee program is hopefully protecting my source of almond butter. And then, so good. I love blueberries for antioxidant activity. Gotta have blueberries. And bananas are super delicious to put into a smoothie. Okay, and then I'm going to add some ice cubes. I like to chill it down. And then I add some protein powder. This is quite the little mixture I'm putting together here. And last but not least, and most importantly, is lion's mane. It supports cognition and healthy brain functioning. Well, it smells so good. And then I have Stamets 7, which is also an immune support formula, 7 different mushroom species. And of course, turkey tail. Now, turkey tail is very potent in its immune supporting properties. Put it all together. This is a recipe for health. Now I'm going to make lots of noise, so hold on to your ears. Voila. Bon appetit. It's so friggin' good.